In the smartphone camera scene of 2026, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Leica Edition truly feels like a game changer. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything I see as its strengths and weaknesses. Of course, some of what I share is based on my personal experience, and if your opinion is different, that's completely fair. We all judge products through our own lens, and that's what makes tech discussions interesting. While many tech reviewers focus heavily on performance, display quality, battery life, and overall daily usability, I want to spend more time talking about what really matters to me here, the camera system. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. As someone who's used to carrying full-frame cameras and heavy lenses, I honestly find the conversation around this phone's 223-gram weight a bit surprising. When you're used to hauling several kilograms of gear in a backpack, this feels incredibly light. I actually brought the 17 Ultra with me on a photography trip to Shanwei, and funny enough, I ended up shooting with it more often than with the full-frame cameras I packed. Before diving deeper into the camera, I have to say a few words about the design. Compared to the standard 17 Ultra, the Leica Edition stands out with its classic dual-tone styling. The combination of textured leather and matte metal creates a strong visual contrast, and the gold knurled detail along the frame not only looks premium, but also improves grip. Right beside it sits the exclusive Leica logo, subtly reinforcing its identity. The timeless black and white color scheme gives the entire device a refined, almost iconic presence. But the most eye-catching element isn't the red Leica badge. It's that oversized zoom ring. This ring is built with 20 high-strength ball bearings, and the rotation feels incredibly smooth and precise. It's not just for show either. You can customize it to control zoom range, focus, or exposure compensation across different shooting modes. Even when I'm not taking photos, I catch myself turning it absent-mindedly. The mechanical feedback is oddly satisfying and genuinely relaxing. In a way, this might be one of the most premium electronic core accessories we've seen in 2026. Today's mobile photography relies heavily on computational imaging, and while software has come a long way, there's often still a slightly digital feel that's hard to escape. What Xiaomi is doing here is different. Instead of relying purely on algorithms, the 17 Ultra builds a stronger physical optical foundation and lets computation enhance it rather than replace it. It's almost like giving computational photography room to breathe. The biggest imaging upgrade comes from the new 1-inch Light and Shadow Hunter 1050L sensor. This 50-megapixel main camera with an f1.67 aperture and a 23mm focal length uses LOFIC technology, which essentially expands the dynamic range to 14 stops. In high-contrast environments, it can capture beautifully balanced images in a single exposure. Thanks to the large sensor size, it no longer needs to depend heavily on aggressive multi-frame stacking to preserve detail like older generations did. The straight-out-of-camera photos now show deep, natural shadows and rich highlights with impressive color depth. That premium, high-end look is something physical optics still does better than pure computational tricks. Right now, smartphones are getting incredibly close to traditional cameras when it comes to straight-out-of-camera results. In some situations, computational photography can even go beyond what classic optical systems can do. If you've ever noticed that slight jump or shift in framing when switching between telephoto lenses on a phone, then this 200-megapixel periscope lens is going to catch your attention. The telephoto setup is actually one of the biggest hardware highlights on the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Leica Photography Edition. Xiaomi has managed to deliver a true continuous optical zoom covering an equivalent range of 75mm to 100mm, which translates roughly from 3.2x to 4.3x. Instead of relying on digital cropping, it physically moves the internal lens group to adjust the zoom. That means you don't get the softness or transitional blur that usually comes from digital interpolation. On top of that, this lens carries Leica's APO certification. For example, I shot a photo at the beach using this 200-megapixel sensor. When you zoom in to inspect the details, you'll notice that the usual purple fringing and chromatic aberration along high-contrast edges, like iron railings or rocks, are mostly gone. Even the small text on a yellow warning sign remains clearly readable. That level of clarity and purity is something we rarely associate with mobile telephoto lenses, and for the first time, it genuinely feels flagship grade. That said, there are a couple of things worth pointing out. Even though this is technically a true optical continuous zoom, the real-world change in field of view between 75mm and 100mm isn't dramatically obvious. In fact, at 100mm, overall sharpness is slightly weaker compared to around 70mm. Another small quirk is that when the lens isn't engaged, shaking the phone produces a somewhat unusual rattling sound. Personally, I feel this lens is as much a demonstration of Xiaomi's engineering strength as it is a practical, everyday feature. Still, the effort and ambition behind it deserve recognition. What really impressed me the most with the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Leica Edition is the film simulation experience built into the system. With a simple twist of the zoom ring, you can instantly switch into the dedicated Leica-style shooting mode. Xiaomi has introduced an exclusive Leica Moment feature that recreates the look of two iconic Leica models, the classic CCD color rendering inspired by the Leica M9 and the Mao Zedong 50K style film simulation based on the Leica M3. Personally, I'm more drawn to the Leica M9 CCD color profile. The images look fantastic straight out of the camera, with that unmistakable, refined German character. During my time with the phone, I ended up shooting a lot in the Leica Moment mode because the results were just so satisfying. Even in standard mode, you still get 13 exclusive Leica color profiles to choose from. From the camera interface to the desktop icons, the entire experience feels deeply customized around the Leica identity. So let's wrap it up with the usual pricing talk. The standard 17 Ultra with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage is priced at 7,499 RMBs. The Leica Edition with the same configuration comes in at £1,299. The Leica version clearly offers a more ceremonial and immersive shooting experience. The question is, would you be willing to pay extra for that added sense of ritual and customization? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.